Hi, this is Tracy. And me. And me, look.
Look at that nice leg. Beautiful.
Yes, with the
Clean.
muddy.
Yeah.
With the muddy and the oyster. And me too. Look at that. See, look. And we have lots of things, stuff to bring at home.
Yeah. Now, I had to clean all those up.
Yeah,
And
full of stuff. Look.
I like the adventure.
Yeah,
Yes. The feeling of getting something
yeah.
out of nothing into something so we can fill our tummy before they lock us down again. The rapture is coming.
We cannot experience this once they already mandate
Nowhere. Once
microchipping.
out
Mandatory.
there, sorry to say if I offended you, but I'm doing this so that, you know, if you read the Bible and because, you know, you ask God for wisdom and discerning. Without discerning, you cannot understand what's happening.
Yes.
The Bible is practically fulfilling right before your eyes. And if you can't understand and cannot discern, then you are going to be deceived.
Yes.
Once the rapture takes place, then the government's gonna say, oh, there's an alien, because Elon Musk already mentioned that the spaceship is coming and the aliens are coming.
Yeah.
And when that happens, that's going to be the greatest deception you will ever
and that's
hear.
And that's why we enjoy the blessings given.
Here.
Oh my. That's why we're enjoying right now the blessings that God gives us. You have to enjoy because
we are redeeming the time.
Yes.
And enjoying, and whoever comes here, we share about the rapture too.
Yeah.
Wherever we go, Sister Davina and me, we can't zip our mouth because we have to tell because we are being commissioned by Jesus to go and tell and share the gospel.
Yes. Okay.
So
see you. Thank you for listening.
To be continued.
Yes.